Okay, this is part 3 and the final part. Here we go. We're done. As you can see, the SATA SSD drive is sitting on the top in the clear. And as you can see the bottom, same thing. This is the pre-cut right here. And the last thing to do before I put the top piece in is to, of course, trace out the points of where I need to trim out, and then that will give me the ability of finalizing the base. Then I just basically glue it the way I want, and it's done. And that is basically the secret of this tragedy. I got sick and tired of having to, handhold all my stuff. So this was my answer to that, and of course it will have a top on it too. And I'll probably even put a small fan on it. But as you can see, it's very simple, easy to work with. The wide base gives you the ability of connecting a lot of stuff in the back without fear of knocking it down, because it won't fall down. And this will do 11 2.5-inch discs. May they be SSD or spinning. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.